Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You guys have been asking for an update on my rolling Bath & Body Works. Oh my goodness. It's been a while since I've said that tongue twister of a sentence. Let's say it 3 times.
Rolling Bath & Body Works project pan.
Rolling Bath & Body Works project pan.
Rolling Bath & Body Works project pan. Rolling Bath & Body Works project pan. There we go. So here it is. I've been really busy with the end of the semester / the last semester of my degree, and I am officially done. There is a lot of updates that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in my next vlog, which is going to be the video after this, kind of just documenting the end, but also explaining to you guys a lot of the things that have been said and like what's going on in my future. But basically I will be moving. I kind of mentioned this in my collection video, and I will like explain the details of all of that and all the juicy details, because we know Renee is an independent woman who is not moving unless there's a commitment, but there's no engagement ring / all of that stuff is going to be in my vlog video. So if you are interested in that portion of my life, definitely check that out when it goes live. This video is going up before, obviously, because I feel like it's been requested a lot of times. And yeah, but because it's been so long, I'm just gonna start fresh, because a lot of the products did get finished and used up, and it's been shown in my Bath & Body Works empties videos. So it's just better to start fresh. Some of the products you will recognize, the other stuff is new to the project, or maybe you didn't catch the collection video, so yeah. So let's go ahead and start right in. The only product that is going to be, you know, kind of rolling over is my Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Spray. This is the travel sized 3 fluid ounces. I don't know. It's been a minute since I like sat down and recorded a proper video. I've done vlogs. Vlogs is just like easy, but like the structure I kind of lost. So I'm not wearing mascara because and I feel like my lashes look weird because I'm wearing makeup. I just got my lashes permed, and you're not allowed to like get them wet or anything for the first 24 hours, so I still have to go to work. But I feel like it looks weird. Like this eye doesn't seem like I have very many eyelashes, and then this one is just like stark. But after that 24-hour period and you can get them wet, like they start to fan out a little bit more instead of like clumpiness, because that's bothering me, and it might bother you now that I mentioned it. But I'm about halfway done with this, and I'm gonna be taking it on my mini like grad trip. And by grad trip, it's not like anything like wow, you know. It's just gonna be my boyfriend and I, which is gonna be like really nice and just kind of like relaxing and celebrating that I'm finally done with my degree. That took a painfully long time, so this is most likely and most definitely gonna make it onto the trip. I'm going to be adding in a candle, because candles are a no-go when it comes to traveling. So it's like I either burn them or they're gonna stay behind and never get used, because my family does not like to burn candles. So this is a candle by Black House Beard Care, and the scent is Sauced Santa. It's white chocolate peppermint, and I feel like this is a lighter scent to be able to burn, like just let it burn, because a lot of the candles I do have left are just too potent and too overpowering, where I can literally only burn it for like 30 minutes and then I have to put it out. If not only is it like overwhelming in my room, but it starts permeating into the rest of the house, and I feel like I'm down to very sweet scents, so a lot of my family members don't appreciate that. So for this project I am putting in this one. It's a soy candle, which is nice. It's a single wick. I've totally like changed my opinions on like 3 wicks versus single wicks. I definitely prefer a single wick for like myself. I don't know, I just feel like 3 wicks are too overpowering now. That opinion could change, but I just feel like airflow in this house is too good to blow or to burn a 3-wick candle. It's been a minute, okay guys, and I haven't had my second coffee, so my brain's not functioning quite well. And I'm also like slowly going down that caffeine addiction. So like before I would drink like 3 to 5 cups a day depending on the day, and so now I've like brought it down to 2 cups a day, and I haven't finished my second cup, so like I'm having a hard time adjusting clearly. So yeah, it's about to right here. I've burned it a couple times. It's interesting because it's a soy candle, but it's from a small company, and it has like a wood wick, but it's not like the crackling type. So that's the candle. I have one shower gel, and then we're just going into lotions galore. The shower gel that I'm currently working out is strawberry pound cake, and I'm not like organically using it. I'm actually trying to use it up. I have another one in the shower, but that one's a lot more full, and I am trying to finish this one, and I'm about a little bit under halfway done. It does smell delicious, but because I am in like a kind of use everything up mode, I just need to start like focusing, moving on. The other scent my brother can use a little bit more. He's not going to be too inclined to use this one. That's why I'm focusing on this one. And because I'm using this one, I'm deciding to bring in my last strawberry pound cake lotion to just use it up as a duo. It does smell delicious if you are into like the sweet bakery scent, and it's pink. Hello, I'm very pink today. But like I said, I'm not using it because I don't like it. I'm using it because I have to use it, and only like essentials are gonna come with me. So might as well enjoy it. So I'm gonna use that as a pair. I've already been working on 2 lotions, and I am working towards them. Like I'm just using it to use it up. Like I am using it and enjoying the scent, but I'm not like, this day I want to smell like this day I want to smell like this. That's not happening. So the lotions that I have been working on in between these updates are the Ulta Beauty Brazilian Sunset, which is like the dupe for the Boom Boom cream, and 1,000 Wishes. I do have them upside down because it's the easiest way for me to disperse it out of the bottle based on like how low they are. So the Ulta Beauty Brazilian Sunset, I'm 1/3 of the way done, and then 1,000 Wishes, I'm halfway done. And you're gonna notice there's no big bottle of lotion anymore. I use that up. I haven't repurchased a big bottle of lotion because I have to use all my bottles of lotion. I guess because at the beginning of the year I didn't think I was gonna be moving. Because at the beginning of the year, that was like my mindset, you know, let's use less waste. I mean, obviously I can keep using less waste by like when it comes time to repurchasing a lotion, we just go with the big one. Again, I don't know what storage wise situation's gonna be eventually, so like I can't keep thousands and thousands of Bath & Body Works bottles. That's for sure, based on like city living. So we have these 2 I'm currently working on. I did mark them as them being upside down, but like I said, 1,000 Wishes is halfway done, and then Brazilian Sunset is, I only have 1/3 left, so 2/3 is gone. And I'm so glad I finally listened to you guys about buying this over the Brazilian Boom Boom cream. While I do have a Brazilian Boom Boom cream, I think from now on I'm just gonna repurchase this one because it's a lot more affordable, and I don't feel like guilty about using it because it's a lot cheaper than the Brazilian Boom Boom. Okay, and the last item I have in here is also a Bath & Body Works lotion. It is the Winter Candy Apple Shimmer Fizz Body Lotion. This isn't really like a body lotion. I feel like this is more of like a shimmery, glittery spray. So I have this in the bathroom, so I remember to use it when my boyfriend comes out. This only has 3.5 ounces, so I feel like it should be essentially easy to use, but because I don't get that moisture factor from it, I'm not using it, and I rather save it for like date night or just like being shimmery now that like it's hot in Arizona and legs and everything is exposed. So I feel like I should be able to use it out now that it's summer. Again, it's not very moisturizing. It's just more like, let's add glitter and let's be sparkly. So yeah, definitely have to use this stuff. Does it smell like winter candy apple though? Yeah, it does. It's just not moisturizing, so I don't know, like pool days, like after the pool maybe? I don't know, but I do remember from the one time I used it, it left glitter everywhere on me. It just like sticks, so that's not fun. But that is everything. Like we're just gonna start, we're going like full speed in motion, like using everything up. There will be more updates because you guys know, like I go through lotion. When I focus on a Bath & Body Works lotion, I go through it fast. And I have tried to slow it down for updates and to not like repurchase much, but in this case we're turning that Renee back on. We're like flipping the switch. Everything's gotta go. But yeah, let me know what you're smelling like currently in the comments down below. Mine's all like tends to be more on the sweet, either like bakery sweet or just like sexy sweet, but it's definitely sweet right now. So yeah, let me know what you smell like currently based on like what you're using. But I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye!